Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows, and if you're doing your rear pads or anything to do with your discs or whatever on your TXE taxi, or it could be a Volvo for that matter, you'll have this plug here. Now this plug is what controls your electronic parking brake. It's a 2-wire feed, and the onboard computer feeds power to the motors inside this parking brake to engage or disengage the parking brake. Now, to do your discs or anything like that, or pads, you have to wind back the electronic parking brake. Now, if you've got an OBDii tool, you can do it via that. If not, you can manually remove this parking brake. There's a series of bolts to take it off, and then you can just manually wind the parking brake off. Alternatively, you can remove this plug here, so detach the parking brake itself from the loom of the system, and then feed power to it yourself, and that will reverse off the parking brake. However, getting the wires in there is a bit tricky, so I've got these spare plugs. You take your proper one off, put this one on, and then you can just attach your 12 volts or 9 volts, whatever you've got to hand, to this, and it will work your electronic parking brake. So to remove that, you put your screwdriver underneath the yellow bit, lever it up, and then the plug comes off. To put it back on, push it on, push the yellow bit down. Job's a good one. Just make sure your cab is switched off, then the onboard computer doesn't know you've removed it. Link in the description. I'll make these available on eBay. Yeah, makes the job a lot easier. Thanks for watching.